guys, and welcome to the channel. My name is Stephen, and today I just wanted to show you something that is handy if you lose your Amazon Fire TV control, for example. Now, this application is available on Google. I think it's also available on iOS as well, but you'll need to check that out. And the reason why I think this is really good is, as I said, if you do lose your control, or if you just want the convenience of being able to control your Firestick from your mobile phone, then you can do that. And this application allows you to have pretty good control, and it also has other things that are actually quite handy in certain situations. So what you need to do is go to your Play Store, and you need the Fire TV app, which you can see at the top of the screen there. So you click on that, and this is the application you want, the Amazon Fire TV from Amazon itself. And there are others, of course, that do similar things, but this one is obviously has pretty good integration with the Firestick as well. So you open this up, and as you can see on the little box here, I'm showing you my screen at the moment so you can see what's going on. So we have access to various Firesticks in this house. You would have to sign in and use the login details you use with your Firestick and your Amazon account to get into the access of it. And then what it does then is it locks into your Wi-Fi and controls it via that. So this is how it's going to access your Firestick in your home. So I'm going to click on my lounge Firestick here, and it'll come up with a code, and it'll ask you to put this code into your phone, which I'm going to do now. Changes each time, and that's it. You now have access to the TV on your mobile phone. So I'll just move this down a little bit so you can see a bit better. So now, if I swipe up, or if I swipe down, I am controlling the TV by my Firestick. And I can also move along. I can move back again. I do have access at the top there, as you can see, to Alexa, so I can speak and search for things on the app as well. I have access to all the buttons at the bottom as well, so I can touch home and it'll take me back to home. All the various things that you want. But the good thing that I like about this as much as anything else is that you can bring up the keypad like this, which is fantastic, because obviously if you're having to type something in, like a search for a movie or something like that, it can be quite time consuming to do it on the control, which you have to go backwards and forwards, up and down. But here you can just type it in on the keypad, which I actually think is quite a good idea, and certainly a lot easier than doing it by the remote control. And that's pretty much it. You have access to all of the things that you normally have on your Firestick, and then you can just go along, up and down. And if there's anything particularly you want to watch, you can just click on it, and it will take you into it. You just tap on what you want to watch, tap on the app, and it will launch the app. And I think that's a really good way of bypassing the control if you don't need the control, if you don't want to use it, if you're always losing the control and you want to have a different way of working, then this is a really good way to do it. And obviously because it's on your mobile phone, it's always going to be with you, and it's really quite easy and straightforward to use, and you can control as many Firesticks as you have in your house as well. Just click on the one that you want. And that's it for today. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. As I said, please do subscribe and like this video and share it to anyone who you think might get some benefit from it. And until the next time, thank you for joining me. Goodbye.